Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix ASKO Dishwasher F10 error. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having the F10 error here on your ASKO dishwasher, there are going to be some common causes why you see the error here. So first is food particles may get stuck in the sagging tube leading to a blockage, which in this case that should be the cause of this issue. But another thing that you need to take note here is sometimes also water backs up inside the dishwasher, and that could also trigger the F10 error. And also, if the drain tube is too long, it will cause it to sag, which again will give you the error or F10 error. Now, how do you fix this error? So first, if you're having issues with this case with a drain tube here, what you need to do is the drain tube should be securely attached to prevent leaks. So in this case, make sure to check that first. And also, if it's too long, shortening it to sit flush with the drain pipe. So don't make it too long. Just make sure it's quite near the drain pipe. And also look for any sagging or dips in the tube. Now, in this case, if you do see some blockages here, you could go ahead and try removing it yourself. But in this case, if you're uncomfortable doing this yourself, then it's best to contact a technician yourself. So again, adjusting and the drain tube yourself is best for professionals to trim its security and property. So yeah, if you're unsure how to do this, or generally speaking, you're not familiar how to do this, it's best to call a technician for this one or professional. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.